IG Wealth Management app. The pros, the cons. IG Wealth Management is a platform designed for investors looking for both guidance and flexibility in managing their portfolios. But how well does it deliver? Starting with the pros. First, comprehensive advice. IG provides access to financial advisors and tailored investment strategies based on your goals. Second, range of investment options. From stocks and ETFs to mutual funds, the platform offers broad diversification opportunities. Third, robust research tools. Users get market insights, portfolio tracking, and analytical resources to support smarter decision-making. Now, the cons. One limitation is cost. Advisory fees can be higher than purely digital robo-advisors, which may deter smaller investors. Another drawback is complexity. Beginners may feel overwhelmed by the range of tools and options available. The surprising truth? Many investors think wealth management apps are only for the wealthy, but IG Wealth Management accommodates both high net worth and everyday investors, bridging the gap between DI and professional guidance. In conclusion, the pros: personalized advice, diverse investments, and research tools make IG Wealth Management ideal for investors who want both support and flexibility. The cons: cost and complexity suggest that beginners should start cautiously. Overall, it's a reliable platform for those seeking a structured, well-supported investing experience.